Welcome to Sonali Stories. India has many wonderful legends passed down from generations. So many of them are interlinked. The story of Sri Baidyanath is one such unique tale. There are three locations in India which are known as Baidyanath Dham. And what is interesting is that all three places have the same legend connected with Ravan. पूर्वोत्तरे प्रज्वलिकानिधाने सदा वसन्तं गिरिजासमेतं सुरासुरार्धितपाद्वात्मं श्रीवैद्यनाथं धम्हं नमामि. I salute Vaidyanath, whose lotus feet are worshipped by all the Asuras and Devas, who lives in a place of eternal shine in the northeast India, along with Mata Parvati. This shlok tells us that Vaidyanath Jyotirling is located at the Prajvalika Nidhanam, meaning a funeral place or a Chitabhumi, in the northeastern part of the country. It is said that Ravan was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. He performed severe penances, and when Lord Shiva appeared before him, Ravan asked him to come with him and stay in Lanka. Lord Shiva agreed and took the form of a Shivling. But he put a condition that Ravan would carry him to Lanka and only then put him down on the earth, as wherever he was put down he would stay there. Ravan carried the Shivling and began his journey. Lord Ganesh did not want Lord Shiva to move to Lanka, as Ravan would then become very powerful. Ravan became thirsty while carrying the Shivling in the heat. Lord Ganesh asked Varun, the god of the sea, to completely fill a small pot. He then offered the waters to Ravan. Ravan drank it all thirstily. But after some time, he wanted to go on a nature's call. He tried to control himself, but then his urge became very great and he desperately wanted to pass urine. Lord Ganesh was following him. He appeared as a young shepherd boy. Ravan asked him to hold the Shivling for a few minutes. The Shivling was very heavy and the young boy could not carry it for more than a few minutes. He called out to Ravan thrice quickly as per his instruction, but Ravan could not return that fast. He then put the Shivling down, where the Shivling settled. Ravan desperately tried to lift it, but could not do so. The place where he put it down is known as the Baidyanath Jyotirling. Parli is an ancient village in the Beed district of Maharashtra, located near the three rivers Brahma, Venu and Saraswati. This village is on the slopes of the Nagnarayan mountain. The jungles, mountains and rivers here are full of useful medicinal herbs. Baidyanath Dham or Baba Dham of Parli also has another legend connected with it. When the Devas and the Danavas did the Samudra Manthan, they received Dhanvantri, the god of the healers, carrying the pot of Amrit or nectar. Lord Vishnu hid the pot in the linga at Baidyanath, which was very strong. The Danavas tried to break it, but could not reach it. The ling therefore has healing powers, and people are allowed to touch it, unlike other places. They benefit from the healing powers of the ling. As Vishnu and Shiva both are connected with this place, it is also known as Harihar, where Hari means Vishnu and Har is Mahadev. So festivals of both Vishnu and Shiva are celebrated here with full ceremony. Rani Ahilyabai Holkar renovated this temple in the early 1700s. In the state of Maharashtra, is also celebrated a festival called Vat Purnima. This signifies the story of Savitri, who followed Yam, the god of death, and brought back her Satyavan. Who followed Yam, the god of death, and brought her husband Satyavan back to life. In Parli, on the Narayan mountain, The Vatavriksha or the banyan tree of Savitri's story is still here to be seen. There is a temple of Vateshwar also. Located in the state of Jharkhand in the Santhal Parganas is Devgarh, which has the ancient temple of Vaidyanath Dham. It is said that Shiva manifested himself here on the night of the Aridra Nakshatra, which has special reverence as it is ruled by Rudra, a form of Lord Shiva himself. During the Daksha Yajna, it is said that the heart of Devi Sati fell here, so this place is also a Shakti Peeth known as Harda Peeth. Here, she is worshipped as Jaya Durga and Bhairav as Vaidyanath. It is said that Shakti lives here with Shiva and assists him in curing people. These two temples are connected by huge red sacred threads. They depict the unity of Shiva and Shakti. So, this temple is also famous for people coming to pray for their marriage. Above the shikhar of all temples in this complex is a Panchashul instead of a Trishul. It is said that Lord Shiva himself taught Shukrachari the process of Panchavakra, who then taught this to Ravan. Panchashul gives divine protection. Ravan placed Panchashuls on all four corners of his kingdom, so Sri Ram could not attack. Later, Sage Agastya helped him to bring down the Panchashul, after which they could attack Lanka. Legend says, Ravan himself has placed these Panchashul here. They give divine protection to the temples. So it is said, these temples are never affected by natural disasters. On Mahashivratri, they are brought down and a special puja is done, after which they are re-established. The bringing down and re-establishment of them can be done only by members of one particular family. There is also a tradition of Kanwariya, the water bearers, who walk to Sultanganj in Bihar and bring water from the holy river Ganga and perform Abhishek here. It is a journey of approximately 108 kilometers walking barefoot. There are some Kanwariyas known as Dak Bum who will complete the journey within 24 hours. They do not stop to eat or drink but run continuously from the Ganga to the temple to complete their journey. Located in Kangra district in Himachal Pradesh, in the village of Baijnath is the ancient temple of Baijnath. Ravan was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. He had gained from him the boon of being invincible. He offered up his heads as sacrifice, and Lord Shiva appeared as a Vaidya or a doctor and restored them after healing his wounds. So he is known as Vaidyanath. As a mark of respect to the devotion of Ravan, the burning of the effigy of Ravan traditionally done on Dashera does not take place here. Also, there are no goldsmith shops here. All these temples are ancient and mentioned in the various Purans. Pilgrimage of Lord Vaidyanath is said to make you free from diseases. Om Namah Shivaya.